All right, here we are. Hello, Internet. I'm BurninGems. You know me with the 3D printer stuff, the channel, right? Whatever it is. Anyways, I want to introduce you to a maker. One of my favorite makers. I have two favorite makers that tops everybody else out there. My son is one of them, and my daughter Serenity. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, so Serenity today was in, I believe it's called SculptFab, and she made a puddle slime. Now, go ahead and rotate it around a bit. Show the, nice thin skins there on the, whatever you call that, the puddle that he's sitting in, I guess.
Yeah.
Now, she painted the bottom. It's white right now, and she's going to be painting the top because I should have done it in blue. My bad. I didn't realize that it was supposed to be blue because, yeah, it's a puddle slime. Like, I should have known that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's going to paint it in blue. It'll look much better. I think it looks pretty cool now. Mm-hmm. The model's a little thin. Whenever we printed it, we had some thin spots. So we'll have to fix those in the model. But right now, she just used some Sculpey in there to hold together. Once she paints it, it'll all dry and be solid. So anyways, yeah. So you want to tell them anything about it? Let me get out of the way. Yeah, sit down. Have the hot seat.
I'm good.
Is you good? Well, at least get your face in there a little bit. Show them your slime.
I kind of added the blush because it looked weird just painting it on.
Cool. And that's all? All right. So that's all for now. Thank you for another episode of BurninGems and our 3D printing adventure. Have a great day. Good night.